Hello students, this is Netu Srivastav. Once again, welcome you all in online class where I am going to teach you maths, unit 12, 13 and 14 book work and copy work. So let's open your maths book, unit 12. So children, just open page number 145 and in this part children you are seeing you have to measure these objects length one by one and you have to write here. Children, you know very well the smaller objects length you are just measuring in the centimeter. So see, I have measured and I have written the length of nail is 1 centimeter, the length of pencil is 12 centimeter, the length of pen is 5 centimeter. So this way you have to complete this page. Go to the next page. This way children, you have to do the page number 147. You have to do the addition you are doing as earlier. Same way you have to add ones first place then tens. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 4 you will add at ones place and 1 you will forward on the tens place. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 3 11. This way children, you have to complete this part also. Go to the next page, page number 148, where you have to do the subtraction. Same manner, you have to find out, and suppose the upper number is smaller, then you will take carry from here, and then here is 6 and 3, so 3 can't be subtract, 6 can't be subtracted from 3. Then you will take 1 carry from here and becomes 13. 13 minus 6, 7, and here it's remain 5. 5 minus 2, 3. The answer will be 27. This way you have to complete this part. You are seeing word problem. You have to first read out. First I am going to solve and rest you will do. Swati bought 3 pieces of ribbon. One of them was 38 centimeter long, the second is 29 centimeter long, and the third is 26 centimeter long. You have to find what you have to write all together, means you have to do the addition. Same way you will do this page. This page you will also complete. Now open unit number 13, 152. In this part children, you are seeing the balance machine, where you are seeing you have to find out which one is a heavier object. So you are seeing one side watermelon is kept and another side apple is kept. So you obviously it is showing that watermelon is a heavier. So this way you will complete this page. Now go to the next page. Same way you have to in this part write the less than and the more than form. Like the weight of sweet is less than 2 kilogram, the weight of apple is more than 1 kilogram, the weight of grapes is equal to 500 gram. You have to see first this weight and then find out is it equal or less than. Same way children, you have to do the addition on page number 156. 5 plus 8 13, then 1 is carry forward. 6 plus 1 1 plus 7 7 plus 2 9. Same way you have to this page. Carry on 157. Same way you have to find out. Then you are seeing word problem. Word problem you have to do same way as I already explained you. But once I will explain one, then you will do rest of the thing. A shopkeeper had 600 kg of wheat. Out of it, he sold 385 kg. How much of wheat was left with the shopkeeper? See, children, in this part, you have to find out the left part. Means you have to do the subtraction. Same way you will do this page. Now open unit number 14, and this is the measurement of capacity. So children, open page number 163. Here you are seeing same method as you are doing subtraction. Here you are addition. 8 plus 4 12. Then 1 is forward here, 2 you will write, then 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 9. Same way you have to do this page. And page number 164 you also do, and 165. So children, this is the book exercise. Okay. So children, open your maths copy and you will do the work as I have done in the copy. Same way children, you will make 2-line headline like this and you will write unit 12, 13 and 14, measurement of length, weight and capacity. So children, you are seeing I am going to read line by line and you will write same way as I have written. Longer and shorter refer to the length of the objects. Now you have to write the units of measurement of length. So children, to unit of measurement of lengths, first is non-standard units. In olden times, different parts of the body were used to measure the length. Now see back side. But these units were differ from person to person, so these units of measurement were not accurate, like hand span, foot length, cubit. Next, draw anyone non-standard unit. So children, you will draw the hand like this and you will show this hand span. Now go to the next page. See children, in this part you have to write the standard unit. Children, while you writing, your writing should be neat and plain like as I have written, and write correct also. Nowadays we use meter, liter, kilogram, etc. for measuring the things. They are called standard units. They are always accurate. So one example you have to do, draw any one standard unit. So you the scale and ruler already know, so you have to draw the scale or ruler like this. Then you have to write the units of length. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Units of weight, 1 by 4 kilogram equal to 250 gram, 1 by 2 kilogram means 500 gram, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Same in the units of capacity. 1 by 4 liter means 250 ml, 1 by 2 liter means 500 ml, 1 liter means 1000 ml. So this is the copy work children. I hope you have understood this lesson very well, and you will complete the work as soon as possible, and you will upload on the students link, or you can send your books copy for correction. Thank you. Bye bye.